I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the image you want. Use JPG, PNG, or BMP and pick a resolution close to your display. Once ready, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize to jump directly into background settings. Make sure to save images in Pictures so Windows shows them in the recommended list. This avoids hunting through downloads. Now that settings is open, you're ready to select background type and proceed to apply the wallpaper quickly and correctly. You then pick the background type, picture for a single image, slideshow to rotate files, or solid color for simplicity. Click Browse and select your file. Next, choose a fit. Fill preserves crop, fit shows whole image, span stretches across monitors. If you have multiple displays, right-click the image preview and assign it to a specific monitor to control placement. Once done, Windows applies the chosen fit immediately, so you can assess cropping and adjust until you finish by saving the setup. Open Themes in Settings to save wallpaper and accent colors as a reusable theme. If the wallpaper fails to change, make sure Focus Assist or Battery Saver modes aren't blocking updates. Also check Group Policy or Registry keys that can lock backgrounds on managed machines. As a quick fix, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. If it still fails, reboot and recheck file permissions on the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.